Your YouTube channel growth starts the day YouTube personally start recommending your videos to others. Now, the benefit of this is that YouTube get to recommend your videos from your small channel to videos on bigger channels, so that viewers who watch those videos will actually get to watch your videos. And the benefit of this is that there's 80 to 90% chance that whatever content YouTube recommend to people after watching videos, those people are also likely to click on it. But then the big question is that how do you get YouTube to actually recommend your videos? Well, this is not like every other thing whereby you just have to click on enable or disable button in your settings to do. But there are simply three things you can do on YouTube to actually help them recommend your videos. Now, these simple three things are things that I personally applied on this channel to actually help me get to this level. So if you're also starting off as a new YouTuber and you want to grow your channel, then I advise you to watch this video to the very end and then apply these three simple things that I'm about sharing with you, and it will also help YouTube get to recommend your content, which will help you get more subscribers and views really faster. So with this already said, if this is your first time on this channel, kindly help me do the YouTube business by smashing on that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So let's get straight to business. Now, the first thing you need to do in order to actually help YouTube recommend your videos is simply creating content that people want to watch. Now, what do I mean by creating content people want to watch? When it comes on YouTube here, when you are creating content, you are definitely targeting a set of people. Like on this channel right now, I'm targeting who and who. I'm targeting people who are into content creation. That's the mission on this channel. So now whenever I create videos around content creation, they will definitely outperform any other topic I talk about out there. And when I create videos around this topic, YouTube get to see that, okay, my overall channel is within this particular topic. So they get to recommend my videos within bigger channels that also say similar things. Now, the way you can also do this is simply getting to know which videos exactly people who watch your channel are also interested in. Now, you might be asking, how do you get to know what exactly people who watch your channel also watch? There's a simple secret that I'm going to share with you right now on how you can actually get that. Now, I'm on my laptop right now, so I'm just going to move over to my YouTube studio. So now all you simply have to do is that go over to your YouTube studio. So for me, I'll be using my laptop because I'm screen recording with my phone, and then the other one is running some stuff on the background. So I'll be using my laptop to show you, and you can also do it on your smartphone as well. All you simply have to do is that go over to your YouTube Studio app or YouTube Studio on the web. Like you can see, I'm on the web right now. You can see this is my real-time data of this channel you are watching. I've gotten approximately 2,800 subscribers within the past 28 days, which is 2.5 thousand more than my usual subscribers that I actually get. Now, how you simply do this is simply come over to your YouTube dashboard like this. Come over to where it says analytics. Now, once you come over to analytics, then you have to pick audience, because you want to know exactly which videos your audience are interested in. So for that, you come over to where it says audience. Now, once you come over there, you have to go down, and then there's this part whereby it shows two things: videos growing your audience, which is the videos that are actually giving you more audience on your channel, that are giving you more attention on your channel. YouTube will rank them like this. And then over here, they'll show channels your audience watches as well. Now, these are the two tabs that you need to be focused on. Now, on this first tab, you need to look at the videos that are giving you the most views, that are actually helping grow your channel. Then you get to create similar videos repeatedly on different areas. And then on this other hand, you get to check out all these channels. Like, take a look at all these channels that they've placed here. They are going to give you, they'll give you a lot of channels. You can see for me, they gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see there are a total of 7 channels here that is suggested that what people who are interested in my channels are also watching. And these channels get updated over and over again because they only give you data for the past 28 days. Now, what you simply do is that you visit these channels, see their videos that they uploaded within the past 1 month that are performing really well, and then you get to create similar content as well. Now, once YouTube see that you are creating similar content as these ones, they get to suggest your videos to these people audience as well. Like, if people who watch my channel watch content that are related to these people, YouTube is going to promote their content to those people as well. So by the time I also start creating the same content these people are creating, YouTube will start to recommend my own videos to this set of people as well, which is the people watching their channel will also get to see my video. Like, for example, if I should monitor these 2 channels right now, 7-Figure Boss and then Omoka Sandra, this one had 18,000 subscribers, more than my own. I'm just 12,000 subscribers when I was recording this video. And then 7-Figure Boss has 76,000 subscribers. to tell you that what, because of the fact that I'm creating similar content to theirs, I have a high chance of also reaching out to their audience as well. And I've seen a lot of people who drop comments that say they got my videos from watching these other videos. Immediately they finish watching videos on this channel, then YouTube popped in my own video. So this is simply about this session. So now that is the point number 1 I have for you. Simply get to create content people are interested in, the content already growing your channels, and the content your audience actually watch outside your channels are the things you should focus on if you really want to grow your channel. So here is the last tab you need to look at, which is what your audience watches for the last 7 days. Because here is the videos most people on my channel have been watching for the past 7 days. So this simply shows one simple thing is that I'm on the right path because the videos I'm creating are related to this channel. So now let's move over to the point number 2. Now, the point number 2 is simply create playlist. Now, what do I mean by playlist? When you come over to YouTube, YouTube made something called playlist available for a reason. But a lot of you tend to overlook this. So what YouTube playlist actually means is that it helps you group videos of similar type in a particular way that when users finish watching one, then the other one pops up automatically. And this one will also help you grow your channel a lot. But I see that a lot of you get started with YouTube channels and then don't even bother creating playlists to organize your content. So if you are a YouTuber who is getting started right now and you already have a channel, but you say you are not getting views and subscribers, then one thing I would advise to do is that learn to organize your content into playlists. Now, the benefit of creating playlists is that, for example, I created a playlist that talks about videos about video editing tools. So on that particular playlist, I only talk about video editing tools and all of that. So when user watch one of those videos, YouTube will see that, okay, this person just finished watching this video about this thing on this particular channel. Maybe this other video on this playlist might also be helpful to the person as well. Then YouTube will get to suggest one of those videos and then see if the person is going to watch it. Now, a lot of you might not even notice that when YouTube is recommending your content, they don't just recommend them on other people's channel, they also recommend them within your channel. So instead of only focusing on how YouTube can recommend your content outside, also think about how YouTube can get to recommend your content to your existing audience as well. And that's where playlist comes in. Now, for you to create playlists, it's not really difficult. I'm just going to walk you through that right now. So to create playlists, let's jump back on my computer. So you come over to your laptop, on your laptop like this or wherever place. You can be using it on the web, or I don't know which browser you're actually using. But wherever, you just come over to your YouTube studio like this. Once you open your YouTube studio, you click on where it says content. Now, once you come over to content here, you can see that here I have a lot of playlists. I have the Make Money Online playlist where I put every video that has to do with make money online. Here's where I put video editing tools. So whenever I talk about anything that has to do with video editing, it falls into this folder. Take a look at this one, YouTube tips. Wherever I do something that has to do with YouTube related stuff, I put them in this folder. And then ChatGPT tutorial. This was when I was creating a lot of videos about ChatGPT when I was still blogging back then. Then I get to put all those content in here. So I just learned to group all my content, and trust me, grouping your content will actually help you grow faster on YouTube as well. So now for you to group your content, all you simply have to do is come over to where it says create. Click on the create right here, and you're going to see where it says new playlist. Simply click on it. Now once you click on this playlist, you simply put in your title here, your video description, and then your visibility, set it to public, and then just fill in all those information, and that's simply all. Now the name of this playlist, make sure that it's optimized for search ranking. Like all these my names right now, I created them long ago, so I didn't even bother optimizing them that much for search ranking. But I recently started updating all the data gradually, meaning that what, more growth is coming on this channel. So when you are titling your playlist, I advise you to be very precise. Like if it's about video editing, just title video editing tutorials, just group them right there, because that keyword, when people search for video editing tutorials, YouTube can also show your playlist as well. And when people see videos that are organized in playlists, it actually triggers them a lot. Like if you go over to my other channel known as Perez Trade as well, I also group my content in playlists like that. And that's one thing that I see that is actually helping my videos grow, because after I finish watching one video, there's 70% chance that YouTube is going to recommend another video from within that same playlist to you again. And by the time you finish that one, YouTube will get to recommend that one again. So during this process, YouTube is gradually building a bond between you and my content, and at the same time helping me get more watch hours for those of you who want to monetize, and more views and all of that as well. So this is simply how you get to create your playlist on YouTube as well. Now let's move over to the third point. I pity people who did not watch to the end, because the third point plays one of the most important roles when it comes to actually getting your videos out there and letting YouTube understand what your video is about and who might be interested in them. The point number 3 when it comes to getting YouTube to recommend your videos to others is simply open your metadata. Now, what I mean by metadata is simply your video title, your video description, your playlist title, and your playlist description. They are very important. That's why I see that I have never uploaded a video without adding a description to it. Your description and title are very important to let YouTube understand what exactly your video is about. So one thing I see a lot of you do is that once you record a YouTube video, you pack a lot of tags into the description for no reason without having any clinical description about the video itself. Well, that's simply wrong. So if you are into all those people who load your video descriptions with hashtag, I think it's time you stop it and focus on the main thing that will actually help you grow, which is by adding a clinical description about your video. What is your video about? Let the YouTube algorithm know that through your title and description. Now, let me show you a typical example on how I actually do that on my laptop. So I'm just going to come over here and I turn on my screen recorder again and I show you exactly how you can also do this. So firstly, you come over to your YouTube like this and then let me go over to videos and I show you how I actually optimize my videos. So let me use this one that I personally do. The first video at the top, there's actually paid promotion. If you go watch the video, you see that I tagged it there that it's a paid promotion. So now take a look at this video. I put the title, how to clone yourself on CapCut, mobile or PC. You see that the title is simple and straightforward. These are your YouTube video titles need to be if you want YouTube to suggest your video. The reason for this is that you want YouTube to understand exactly what the video is about. What is the video going to give to the users? Like mine, it says how to clone yourself on CapCut. Very easy, straightforward, and easy for people to search as well. And then after that, take a look at the description. I went straight and then I put the title inside the description again, how to clone yourself on CapCut, mobile or PC. After that, then I start explaining the main video to the people again. Want to create the mind-blowing effect of cloning yourself in your videos? In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to clone yourself using CapCut, whether you are on your mobile device or PC. No prior experience needed. Now, this is simple and straightforward, and you can simply use AI to generate this. Personally, I use ChatGPT, and let me show you exactly how I use ChatGPT to do that. So I'm going to do one for this video that you are watching right now, whilst you see it. ChatGPT, I'm going to open it up. Now, look at the tag I'm going to give to ChatGPT to actually help me do that. I'll say, look at the simple word. I say, I need a YouTube video. Okay. I didn't even get to put in the tag, but he got it right. Let me just edit it. I need a YouTube video title. I need a YouTube video title on the topic, how to get YouTube to recommend your videos and make it click driven. So now take a look at the description. It's going to give you secret how to get YouTube to recommend your videos fast. Very simple, and this is the one I'm going to use because it's simple and straightforward. And look at this one, boost your views, how to make YouTube push your videos, crack the algorithm, get YouTube to recommend your videos. So all of this, I'm just going to go with the first one, say secret hacks to get YouTube to recommend your videos. Now after that, over here, I'm going to put this in. So I'm just going to copy this title right now. And then I'll test ChatGPT again. I need a YouTube video description on this topic. And I paste it in, and then ChatGPT is going to generate a description for you. Now, what I simply do is that you copy the description and then you modify it a little bit, fixing every single mistake that ChatGPT has done, and then just paste this into a YouTube video, and it's simple and straightforward. So hope you find this video helpful, and for more videos like this, kindly smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, because on this channel I mainly focus on creating content that will help you and I actually grow on YouTube as well. So if you want to join the growth process, kindly smash on that subscribe button. And with this already said, have a nice day. Bye.